Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. In this tech tutorial video, we're going to teach you how you can add hyperlinks to your documents and spreadsheets on Google Sheets really quickly. So let us get started right away. Head over to your document or spreadsheet on Google Sheets and let me, for example, just for the sake of this tutorial, add some text to a cell like this. So let me type in, for example, I don't know, Google, because I would like to redirect to google.com for the sake of this tutorial. So what you want to do after that is click on the cell, highlight the text, and now you would like to, or what you want to do, guys, is click on that button here at the top menu, insert link. You may also use the shortcut Ctrl-K on your keyboard to add a hyperlink to your highlighted word. So what you want to do, guys, is head over to the destination page, copy the URL here at the top, head back to your document, paste your copied URL or of the destination page here where it says search or paste link, and select the suggestion below. And that's basically it. Now, as you can see, the destination page's URL has been added successfully to your highlighted word. So it works like a hyperlink now. If I click on that word here, I will be automatically redirected to this destination page here. And that's how it works in practice, guys. I hope you enjoyed this video, got some value from it, and we'll see you next time.